Dr. Zara Kethenal adjusted her bioscanner with 3 of her 6 manipulator arms while her compound eyes processed the latest data streaming across her neural interface. The xenobiology lab aboard the research vessel Convergence hummed with the software of atmospheric processors, maintaining the precise environmental conditions needed for her multi-species research team. The preliminary results are disturbing, she announced to her colleague, Dr. Vexthera, whose chitinous exoskeleton gleamed under the laboratory's bioluminescent panels. These humans are biological catastrophes waiting to happen. Vexthera's antennae twitched with curiosity. Define catastrophe, colleague. Zara pulled up a holographic display of human anatomy, rotating the translucent figure with practiced efficiency. Where do I begin? Their respiratory and digestive systems share the same pathway. They literally risk death every time they consume nutrients. What evolutionary pressure could possibly favor such a design flaw? Perhaps it's an efficiency adaptation? Vexthera suggested, though her tone carried doubt. Efficiency? Zara's chromatophores flashed crimson with incredulity. Their spinal column, supposedly their primary structural support, curves in multiple directions under gravitational stress. They experience chronic pain simply from existing in their native environment. Our engineers would be executed for designing such a catastrophic failure. The hologram shifted to display the human nervous system. Zara's secondary arms gestured emphatically at the brain structure. And this neural architecture. The optical nerves create blind spots in their visual processing. Their brains consume 20% of their total energy output while remaining vulnerable to minor impacts. A simple collision that wouldn't even register on our carapaces can cause permanent cognitive damage. Dr. Vexthera moved closer, her compound eyes examining the data streams. Their reproductive biology seems equally problematic. These birth statistics are alarming. Precisely. Zara's excitement caused her bioluminescent patches to pulse rapidly. Their offspring are born in a state of complete helplessness, requiring years of constant care. Meanwhile, the birthing process itself has a significant mortality rate for both parent and offspring. Our species achieve reproductive success through simple mitotic division or controlled spawning cycles. These humans engage in a biological lottery every time they reproduce. She manipulated the display to show the human cardiovascular system. Their circulatory pump, this heart, is a single-point failure system. When it stops, they die within minutes. No redundancy, no backup systems. They've built an entire medical industry around preventing and treating malfunctions in this one component. Perhaps, Vexthera ventured, their apparent fragility serves some purpose we don't comprehend? Zara's chromatophores shifted to deep purple, indicating deep thought. I've been analyzing their cultural outputs, their art, literature, philosophy. There's a recurring theme of struggle, mortality, and the preciousness of limited time. Their entire civilization seems structured around the concept of impermanence. She pulled up comparative longevity charts. While we can regenerate lost limbs and live for millennia, these humans typically survive less than a century. Yet their cultural output during these brief existences is remarkable. Their awareness of mortality appears to drive unprecedented creativity and innovation. The lab fell silent except for the gentle hum of life support systems. Both scientists contemplated the implications. So their biological weaknesses might be evolutionary features, not flaws? Vexthera asked. It's possible, Zara admitted, her chromatophores cycling through contemplative blues and greens. Their fragility creates urgency. Their inefficient biology demands cooperation. Their vulnerability necessitates technological advancement. Perhaps what we perceive as catastrophic design is actually elegant evolutionary programming. She paused the holographic display, leaving the human figure suspended in the lab's artificial atmosphere. These humans have achieved interstellar travel, complex social structures, and remarkable technological advancement despite, or perhaps because of, their biological limitations. They've turned their weaknesses into strengths through pure determination and ingenuity. Dr. Vexthera's antennae drooped thoughtfully. So the question isn't what's wrong with human biology, but what we might learn from it? Exactly, Zara replied, her bioluminescent patches now glowing with fascination rather than frustration. Sometimes the most remarkable achievements come from the most unlikely sources.